For ADAPT licensing, one of the troubleshooting steps you may have to use is to access the Sentinel Admin Control Center to determine what is actually programmed on a key. And this could be a network HL key, which is a hard lock. It could be a standalone HL key, which is a local hard lock, a USB key. It might be a soft license, either standalone or a network, which is a keyless license that's embedded to the machine that it is activated for. And what we want to do in this case is we're going to go to localhost 1947 to access the Sentinel Admin Control Center page. And in this case, if I select Sentinel keys, you can see I have several keys on this particular machine, or I'm accessing several keys on this computer. The first one in the list is actually, it's a standalone hard lock. So I know that by the key type. It's a HASP HL Max, and we can also see here it's a USB key. In this case, to determine what's on the key, I could go to Features over here on the far right for the key type that is listed here in these rows. We'll go over here to Features, and in the Features table, this will give me an indication of what is currently on this key. So here I have, for example, Builder version 2018 RC for Edge, the PT module for Builder, and each one of these feature codes is specific to a year version and a module. So it might be Edge, FloorPro, MAT, the PT Shop module, and so on. And we can see over under restrictions the type of key that it is. This is a perpetual license. You'll also want to make sure that if you're ever looking at the key features, there's always the option or the possibility that you might have a second page. So make sure to check at the bottom right. Under next page here, we can see that this key has several different programs licensed on it. So if we go back to Sentinel keys, we also have soft keys. So this is a HASP SL legacy key. This is an admin mode. This is a rehostable key, and so on. And your key type and key ID can be identified, and then you can tell what is specifically on that particular key. So if I go down to number 12, line item 12, this is key ID starting with 6244, and that might be important information if you're ever working with our support team and needing to send key information to them to help in the troubleshooting process. If I go over here to net features, again, we can see that this key is actually blank, and we might see other keys here that have particular features on them. So this particular key has several features listed as a product number. Some of these are expired. These might be old trial licenses for a particular program. And then here we might have a set of licenses that are timed. The time duration here has not started yet. Another option, we can go to Features, and in Features, this will show us a list of features and the key ID that those features belong to. So this is a way to sort the features by that list instead of per Sentinel key. If we go over to Features again, we can see exactly what the feature is and what the key is. And this is the key ID right here. Typically, an end user would not have as many key IDs as what I'm showing here. You might have one or two for your ADAPT licenses. And then finally, if we go to products, this will list the products available on the set of keys that the computer is hosting or that the computer sees over a network. And for example, under Builder Suite, I could go to Features, and this just pulls up all of the Builder feature IDs on this particular machine, or what this machine is seeing over the network. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@adaptsoft.com. Thank you.